Alright, at 1100 hours, car A left tau X for tau Y, traveling at average speeds of 80 km. Alright, so let's draw the chart. This is journey from tau X to tau Y. At 1100 hour, car A left tau X for tau Y and traveling at average speeds of 80 km per hour. So we put it down, speed 80 km per hour. At the same time, alright, okay, car B left tau Y for tau X, so we put it down in opposite directions, alright, at a speed of 100 km per hour, right, we put it down. So the distance between the two tau was 540 km, we put it down between X and Y. At what time did the two cars pass each other? Express time using 24-hour clock. Okay, so we're going to find the time when they met. So assuming that this is where they met, alright, this is where they met. I draw to slightly towards X is because that I know that car B was traveling faster than car A, so it's slightly more to X, tau X, where they met. Alright, logical. Now let's start to fill out all the information. We have distance, speed and time for such topics, right? So now look at here. At this juncture where they met, it was the exact same time. Okay, the time. Okay, exact same time. At this time is the same where they met. Okay, although distance traveled is different. All right. Now, distance 1 and distance 2 adds up to be 540 km. Okay, distance traveled by car A plus distance traveled by car B adds up to be 540 km. Right? Because they left at different opposite directions and they met at the same point. So their total distance covered by the two is equal to the entire journey of 540 km. Right? So now, we know that the distance covered by car A is 80 km per hour multiplied by the time taken. Alright? And then where else? For the distance traveled by car B, alright, is 100 km times T2. Okay, and we know that the time is the same, right? So we equate them. So 80 km per hour plus 100 km per hour multiplied by time taken is the same, is equal to 540 km. Right? So 80 plus 100 is 180. 180 km per hour times time is equal to 540 km. So time is equal to 540 divided by 180. That gives us 3 hours. 3 hours. Okay, so what is the time then? 3 hours have passed for A and B. They all left at 11 a.m. 3 hours later is 2 p.m. Alright, okay, that is equivalent to 1400 hour. Alright, in terms of the 24-hour notations. Okay, and that's the answer. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.